Ready to lock in those Bybit profits before the market throws you for a loop. Alright, let's jump straight into how to partially close your position on Bybit and secure some of that sweet profit. First, make sure you're on the derivatives trading screen, where you can see your open positions. Look for the open positions section, usually located at the bottom of the screen here. You'll find all the details of your current trades. Identify the position you want to take profit from. Now, find the Close Buy button next to your chosen position. It might also be labeled as partial close, depending on the Bybit interface version. Click on it. A new order panel will pop up. This is where you'll specify how much of your position you want to close. Make sure to select the limit or market tab, depending on your preference for closing the order. In the quantity field, enter the amount of contracts or the percentage of your position you want to close. For example, if you have 10 contracts and only want to close 5 to secure some profits, enter 5. If you selected the limit tab, input the price at which you want to take the profit. If you selected market, the order will close at the current market price. Double check all the details and then click the Sell Close button to submit your partial close order. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your order has been placed. Once filled, the specified portion of your position will be closed, and the profit will be added to your available balance. You can verify the reduced size of your position in the Open Positions section. Congratulations, you've successfully taken profit on Bybit.